Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to remove someone from Google Chat conversation. First, open the Google Chat app on your mobile device. Now open the desired conversation. After that, tap on the name of the conversation to open details. Here, tap on Manage Members. Once the list is open, tap on three dots right next to the member name. Then select the option to remove from space. Again, select the remove. By doing so, the member will lose access and won't be able to rejoin unless the space is public. Now, go back to the chat. Your selected member has been removed from the chat. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.